During the breaks, I understand that you've filled your time. Have you done externships?
I've done several. My favorite one, and I recommend to everyone, we have a club here called Vita, and so locally they'll do spay and neuter clinics throughout the island at low cost to help the locals. But on a national level, Vita actually organizes trips to Costa Rica and Guatemala. I went to Costa Rica, and let me tell you, that was life-changing. We would go into little community centers. We went into churches, and we transformed these rooms into surgery suites, and we would knock out like 13, 14 spays a day. And I made sure to do it once I had already completed my pharmacology surgery class and anesthesia. That way I could do more things hands-on. So I already went into 7th having done a spay. For me, it was the most confidence-building experience. It's very different, and I recommend that externship to everyone. Aside from that, I've done an externship with Blue Pearl, which is a conglomerate of specialty services. So there's Opto, there's internal medicine, there's orthopedics. And I did it specifically because I know that I tend to be a little squeamish when it comes to orthopedic surgery. So I just kind of needed to get over that. If I want to work with horses, I need to get used to bones being broken.